Hey LEGO fans, welcome back. And today, we're looking at a modern LEGO set that does something surprisingly classic, and most sets don't do anymore. Stick around to the end, because I'll show you how to mod this set to unlock an extra play feature. This is LEGO City Set 60368 Arctic Explorer Ship. It comes in at 780 pieces, includes 7 minifigures, and is rated for ages 7 on up. And it feels like an intentional throwback, a set that doesn't come with a backstory because the fun is inventing one.
7 mini-planes ready to rock the Arctic!
If I had seen this set as a kid, this absolutely would have been the one. The one I stare at the store, circled in the catalog, the one I told myself, maybe someday.
Will someday finally happen?
This ship works because it invites imagination. No fixed plot, no named heroes, just a massive vessel, cold water, and a whole lot of
what happens next. What happens next? Anything you can dream.
The ship itself is gorgeous, bold colors, clean silhouette, and a modular design. Lift the entire bridge off and you'll find the scientist quarters, 2 beds, a bathroom, complete with toilet paper, a specimen tank, and a microscope. Everything has a purpose. Everything supports
Story.
A toilet with toilet paper, rock and roll science, baby. A toilet with toilet paper.
Then you get the vehicles, and there are a lot of them. A sturdy raft for nearby missions, a clean functional helicopter for long-range scouting, a compact drone submersible for deep-sea exploration, ready for quick launches and returns. And those 7 minifigures, some have leg printing, and the first ORCA ever included in a LEGO set. Instant tension, instant adventure.
ORCA! Protect your minifigs, baby!
The working crane rotates, lifts, and handles equipment without feeling fragile. Lower the sub, raise it back, build missions on the fly. This is LEGO mechanical play.
At its best.
For the younger builders.
If you play with this in the tub, and let's be honest, you probably will, get yourself a drain strainer, because losing pieces underwater,
That's the real Arctic disaster.
that's the real Arctic disaster.
Don't feed the dream.
Don't feed the dread.
Now let's talk upgrades.
Don't feed the dread.
Now let's talk upgrades. This set includes a sunken Viking ship, which is already awesome. But add a couple tiles, a 2x10 brick, and some chains, and suddenly the crane can lift the entire ship out of the water.
Out of the water.
Instant salvage mission.
Wait, fat, fight, get shit!
I also grabbed a handful of pieces from the LEGO Pick-a-Brick wall. And with just a few extras, you can build a sunken city. Add walls, coral, plants, some shields, a trident, and suddenly, your driver has discovered a lost civilization. But be careful down there.
You might run into sharks or something worse.
If you miss LEGO sets built for imagination, not just for display, hit like, subscribe, and stick around.
Like, subscribe, and stick around. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next build.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next build.